this is Amber from WaveRez, and we're going to go over how to create a walk-up order. So we're going to go ahead and just click into this 131 here, where we have 1 hour rental available. And it's going to take us to the screen where all the information is already plugged in from what we just selected. Any required options, so you'll go ahead and fill those out. Going on to the next screen. Now, if this was a walk-up and we didn't want to take any of the customer's information, we can simply click on walk-up in the top left-hand corner here, and it's going to autofill all this information and deselect these two confirmations messages for text and email. And we'll just enter walk-up with the generic phone number in there just to suffice the requirement for the phone number. And say they went ahead and give us cash. And go ahead and take that there and see the change that's come back. Now this will enter the order in as a walk-up. So if we go ahead and view the order, it will say walk-up. It's paid, so all the customer information will just be walk-up generic phone number.